It's that time again. What's for supper Wednesday? Now sit back and watch. Hope everyone enjoys and thank you for watching.
Welcome back, everybody, or welcome if you're new. Today for What's for Supper Wednesday, we're going to be having cheeseburger casserole. What you'll need is 16 ounces of, it says elbow noodles. We're going to do a couple things different than what the recipe says, but the recipe will be down in the description. 1 pound of ground beef. I'll probably use about 2 pounds of this. You need a 15-ounce can of diced tomatoes. We're going to do 1 teaspoon of garlic. It calls for 1 tablespoon. It calls for a half a cup of chopped pickles. I'm just going to use my relish that I canned. 1 cup of broth. A cup of mozzarella cheese. And a cup of cheddar cheese. 2 tablespoons of ketchup. 2 tablespoons of mustard. We're going to use the brown mustard. Also, I haven't got it on here, but 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce and salt and pepper. And we need 1 medium onion chopped. Okay, I'm going to add my onions to the skillet and fry them just a little bit. Okay, I added my garlic. Now we're going to add the burger. We'll cook that till it's done. And then while the burger is cooking, I'm going to boil my noodles. It says 5 to 7 minutes. And we'll be back in. Okay, I've got my hamburger in there, the onions and garlic. I'll add the noodles, and then you add the rest of the ingredients except only half of the cheese. So I'm going to add my tomatoes, my relish or pickles, whichever you want. I'm going to add some salt and pepper. I've probably got about a half a teaspoon each, just to your taste. The cheese, so there's a half a cup each. And that is, make sure here, 1 cup of chicken broth. Or any broth you want. Let's see, 2 tablespoons of mustard. I'll just eyeball it. And 2 tablespoons of ketchup. 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. We'll stir this all together. Okay, I'm going to pour the mixture. I've got my casserole dish sprayed. I've got my oven set to 375. Pour this all in. May have needed a bigger dish. Okay, we're going to sprinkle the rest of the cheese. Okay, and we'll bake in the oven for 20 minutes. Here it is out of the oven. We'll plate it up and give it a try. Okay, here it is plated up. Dan, Doug, give it a try.
Alrighty, folks. Well, tell you what, me and Dan likes these things on our meals like this here.
Yep.
We like to sprinkle them on there. Folks, it's good.
It is. It's delicious.
We like it anyway. Shug, you gonna try some?
That's pretty good.
Mm-hmm.
Alrighty. I'll tell you, folks. Carolyn over here, she's still eating.
Mouthful.
Like to thank y'all for watching. Hope y'all have a blessed day. Take care. Stay safe. Lord willing, be seeing you Friday.
Come back and see us.
What she said, folks. Thank yous.
Folks, thank you for watching, and hope you have a blessed day. Stay safe, and we will be seeing you soon, Lord willing.